Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will let you give you an easy way for finding the project that you work with without open the project. So the tips is only changing the title of each project that you have on the CapCut. Why you have to change the name of the project? Because it can make you easier find the project itself. Because if you are standing to the original or regular title, it's only a number on it, so you cannot find what exactly you are working with those project. So you need to open the project. It could be takes time because you need to analyze second by second what you are working on. So here, if you want to make your job easier, just tap into this trace model into the project that you want to rename, and there will be like a rename into the second option, and then you just need to tap it, and then you just need to delete everything on the screen and rename it with the title that you have been prepared. Let's say this project is talking about the grade of the sky, so you just need to type the grade of sky, and now you just need to tap confirm. And whenever the display of your CapCut is like this, you will see that the name is grade of sky, and you don't need to like scrolling down to find where is your grade of sky project on your edit section. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.